Hi, everybody. So I have some super exciting news for you today. I am announcing the first in-person live Kathryn Morgan and Friends workshop. It's going to be January 8th and 9th in Hartford, Connecticut, and we are partnering with Ballet Hartford. And it's going to be a whole weekend of classes with me, with one of their faculty members. I'm going to take you through the whole process, but we have ages 10 to adult program. Y'all know I couldn't do it without an adult program. So let me show you. The link to sign up is below. It will be in Hartford, Connecticut. As I said, I know I'm going to get a lot of questions from all of you. Can you come to my town? Where else are you going? We're working on it. This is just our first one. But if you are a school that would like us to come do a workshop for you, why don't you watch this video? I'll tell you a little bit about what it is, and then you can send us an email at sayhi@kmandfriends.com and maybe contact us about coming to your school. But I'm going to take you through the whole event. It's going to be super exciting. We have 3 levels, and you'll have your chance to pick what level you are. And I have on the website just to kind of guide you in terms of ages and what it's going to include. So we have intermediate, advanced, and adult. Now, I've had some adults contact me and ask to do both. I've had some people say I'm this sort of age and da-da-da. I'm going to answer all your questions, hopefully. So the intermediate age is, we're looking at 10 to 14. That's about the age range for the intermediates. Advanced is 15 and up. Pre-professional, kind of, young students who are working towards becoming professionals or not, but just more 15 and up if you're currently in ballet school. And adult is 18 and up. So that sort of gives you ballpark of where this falls. We're doing it by ages. Intermediates 10 to 14, advanced is 15 and up, 15 to maybe 21 pre-pro-ish, and then adult is 18 and up, not pre-professional or just any age adult. All ages are welcome. So if you go to the Eventbrite page, you'll get all the information, everything that the event includes. We're going to have pointe classes. We're going to have variation classes for adults as well. Don't worry, I've included you. You're going to get Q&A time with me. So sit down, going to answer your questions. We're going to have a chat. Y'all know I love that. I could talk for days, so no clue how long that's going to go. You'll also get a photo and signing session with me. That's part of that Q&A. But the other thing I'm super excited about that you have the option to add on is a photo session with professional photographer Katie Ging. And she is amazing. She has done all of my professional photography for both me and for Cam and Friends. And this is a great opportunity if you need audition photos, if you need headshots, if you just want some dancing photos of you, you have that option to add on a session with her. So you can get it done in the weekend and you don't have to take them with your iPhone. Just saying, she's brilliant. She's amazing. She has an eye. Like, I felt like, I don't know what's going to look like, and she made me look amazing. So if you want to do the photo session with Katie, you have that option to add that on. You also have the option to add on the winter edition of the KM Hall, which is not out yet, but it'll be out soon. And then, of course, you're going to get the welcome bag with all the goodies and stuff. So again, looking at this, just to take you through, advanced intermediates can expect to be dancing from 10 to 3, and photo sessions with Katie Ging will be scheduled from 3 to 6 each day. Adults, that flips. Adults, you're going to be dancing from 3 to 6 each day. And if you want to add on the photo session, that will be from 2 to 3. So that's just to kind of give you some timing, give you some look at how this is going to happen. I have had 1 or 2 students who are adults ask me if they could do both a morning session and an adult session. That's 100% up to you. You will have to buy a separate ticket, but let's say you're an adult and you want to do the intermediate session in the morning and the adult session in the evening. Who am I to stop you? Go for it. You will, however, know that class is geared more for the 10 to 14-year-olds, but you are more than welcome to be in there. Who am I to limit you? So it's going to be a super fun weekend. I can't wait to meet all of you. So basically, the classes are just going to alternate. We're going to do technique, we're going to do pointe, we're going to do variations. There also might be some conditioning classes. We're going to do a Q&A. You're going to be able to do the photo session and take those audition photos, because Lord knows those ain't any fun. And that is welcome to everyone. We're not just doing the photos, like I said, for the young ones, adults. You absolutely are part of that. So I have the link in the description box to sign up. I hope you will join us. Like I said, if you are a studio owner who would like to be a part of this, just send us an email at sayhi@kmandfriends.com, and we'll get back to you shortly because we'd love to keep these workshop weekends going now that we're back in person. The only thing this doesn't have yet that I'm trying to add on in the future is the gala performance. That would be the next step. This weekend does not have any performances involved, but in the future, I'd love to come in and dance and bring my peeps and have you all involved in the whole thing, but stay tuned. We ain't quite there yet, but that is the goal in the future. But we wanted to go ahead and start these in-person weekend workshops. And I'm so excited, and I can't believe it's happening. And a lot of this is down to you guys. So thank you so much for your support and your kindness and for staying with me through these crazy times, because you all are the reason we're doing this. So anyway, if you have any questions, email us at sayhi@kmandfriends.com. Pretty much everything you need to know will be on that Eventbrite page that I've linked below, but you can always email us and ask your questions. If you missed the latest Wicked bar, it's right there. You can click it to watch. Love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time.